Today, let's talk about common mistakes that people do after uploading their videos on YouTube. This is Busy Labs. We teach tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap your notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos. Without wasting time, let's dive into this video. The first mistake that people do is deleting their videos. Some people, when they see their video is not moving, they decide to delete that video. Don't delete any video on your channel, because when you delete a video from your channel, YouTube is going to get a signal that there is something wrong, and your channel may get flagged and you may get a shadow ban from YouTube. Don't ever delete a video from your channel. Some people, when they upload a video, when they see it is not attracting viewers, first they delete it, then they put it back. Never do that thing, because that is a big mistake. Some videos, they don't attract viewers at first. You can put a video and doesn't get viewers at first, but later it will pick. But when you delete your video, you are sending a signal to YouTube that there is something wrong, which can lead to YouTube to flag your channel or even shadow ban your channel. Never delete a video from your channel. If you want to delete a video from your channel, you put it in private, but deleting your video is going to kill your channel, and a lot of YouTubers do this mistake. Second mistake that people do after uploading their video is sharing links. They go on and share links to their friends, to Facebook, to TikTok. This thing is killing your channel. Don't share links, because if you share links, people are going to come and watch, but they will not come back because they are not interested in your video. It is you who have sent them the link to come and watch. But if you leave YouTube to do its job of looking for views, it will attract the right audience. It will send the video to the right people that will keep coming and watching. But if you send links to people, they will not be coming back to your channel to watch, because they are not interested in your video. It is you who has sent them the link. So leave YouTube to do its job to look for views, because YouTube is going to recommend your video to the right people that are interested in that kind of content that you are doing. Don't share links to people. Leave YouTube to do its job. The third mistake that people do after uploading their video is changing thumbnails and title. This one is killing your channel silently, because when you upload a video with a title and thumbnail, YouTube is going to process that video according to the thumbnail and the title. But when you change the title and thumbnail, YouTube is going to get problems processing your video again, because it has already processed it before when you were uploading it. So changing titles and thumbnails is not good for your channel. It can lead to your video to be flagged and your channel to be put in shadow ban by YouTube. Always prepare your thumbnail and title before uploading the video, so that you upload the thumbnail and the title at once. This is Busy Labs. We teach tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap your notification bell so that you get notified when we put new videos.